have today that we've already talked about, number bonds. Do y'all remember number bonds? Somebody tell me what you already know about a number bond. Don't all talk at once now. Number bond, Noah? You're right, it's the same thing as adding. You have two numbers, which are called the parts, okay? You have two parts, and then you put those two parts together to make a whole. Okay, I'm gonna give you some picture cards, and you're gonna have to figure out if it's a part of something or if it's the whole thing, okay? So like a sandwich. If I gave you just a piece of a sandwich, would that be a part or a whole?
A part.
Part, it's not the whole thing. Okay. So, look at your picture. Figure out what you have. Okay. Yeah. And there's enough for us to do it several times. Okay. So Henry, well, that was kind of hard. That is probably like a bell pepper strip. So would that be a part or a whole? Okay, come put it in the part plate. So we got a part. It's just a piece. It's not a complete whole. Okay, Charlotte, bring me yours. What is it? Is that an orange or a lemon? Is it a part or a whole? Right, it's not the whole thing, it's a part of it, it's a piece of it. So come put it in the part plate. All right, Gage, what do you have?
Whole.
Right, what is it? Do you know what it is?
Onion.
Well, actually, it's called a beet. Have y'all ever eaten a beet?
I see one.
Yeah, I don't really like
I
them.
see one in Minecraft.
Oh, in Minecraft, okay.
You can eat it in Minecraft.
Okay, so it's a whole. See, it's the whole thing. It's not split up into pieces or part, it's the whole thing. All right, Luca, what you, oh, no, I'm sorry, no, go ahead, what you got? A whole what? A whole sandwich. So come put it in the whole plate, okay? All right, Luca, what you got? Whole what? What is it? Watermelon, yeah, and we're gonna get to eat watermelon next week. Watermelon. So look, this is the whole watermelon. Okay, Hudson, what you got, bud? A whole what? A whole carrot. Okay, come put it in the right group. Good. All right, Easton, what you got?
A whole turkey.
Well, actually, I know this is kind of something that you're probably not used to seeing. It's actually a carrot that's been sliced into a piece, like a big carrot. So would this be a part or a whole?
Part.
Okay, come put it in the part. Good job. Killia, what you got? Part of a what? Watermelon. All right, Celine, what you got? A part of a what? Sandwich. Come put it where it goes. Okay, we're gonna do some more. We'll do a few more. Okay. I see some yummy pieces and whole foods. Okay, Celine, we'll start with you this time. What you got? You got a part or a whole? Part of a what? Pizza. Good job. Come put it there. Okay, Killian, what you got? A whole what? A whole apple. All right, come bring it. Okay, Easton, what you got?
A whole pickle.
Well, it's not a pickle yet. What is it before it's a pickle? Cucumber. Good. Did y'all know that pickles were cucumbers?
I did that because my mom and dad.
Yeah. Okay, Hudson, what you got? A whole what? A whole pizza. Who could eat a whole pizza? I could not. All right.
I can.
Your brother can? Okay.
One bite.
In one bite?
No, he folded it up.
Oh.
He did all the cheese.
Yum. Okay, Luca, what you got? A whole or a part?
A whole.
A whole what? You know what that is? Show everyone and see if they know what it is. Y'all know what that is?
I think.
Okay, just show this side.
Tomato.
No, it is a vegetable, Hudson.
A bill.
A bell pepper, yes. So come put that in the hole. Okay, Noah, what you got? A whole what? A whole bag of chips. Now that is what I could eat, a whole thing of. Okay, come put it on my desk. All right. Okay, Gage, what you got? A whole egg. Who can eat a whole boiled egg? Boiled egg?
Oh, my brother would.
Ooh, okay, that's not my favorite
I
things.
eat a whole blue egg, but because I love it.
Oh,
My
goodness.
brother eats.
All right, Charlotte, what you got? A whole or a part? What is it? A whole orange. All right, Henry, what you got, buddy? Not a piece. What? Is it a part or a whole? A part of an egg. Okay, so you're probably thinking, okay, I don't understand how this part stuff and this whole stuff, this parts of pizza, this whole pizza, how it can be in math. Well, when we are making a number bond, we use parts and wholes. Okay, and how is our number bond shown? We have one big circle, and then we have two lines that connect what? What goes here? Killian? Yes, two smaller circles, one on that side and one on this side. Now, what goes in this circle? Is it the whole or the parts? Parts, good, Easton. So I'm gonna write parts right here. Do y'all see a special sound in parts?
Yes.
What do y'all see? Killian? A-R, good. Okay, so then what goes in this circle up here? We've got parts here, what would this be? Whole. So let's say, let me get our counters out. Let's say we have five green bear counters. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's our whole number. We have 5. Now, the parts are showing us how we can break or split this 5 into 2 groups. Okay? So, in our first group, let's say this is our first group. Somebody come and put some bears right here in this first group from these 5 green bears. Okay? Hudson, come put some in this first group. And I'm going to write the number in this part circle. So how many did you put there?
3.
So we got 3 in this parts. How many can we put in this one, Luca?
I know.
2. Now let's see if we can take those 2 parts, add them together to make the whole number up here. Okay? Let's see. 2, 1, 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that match up? Yes. That shows you that you can take a whole number, the whole number, and you can break it, split it up into 2 parts. And then it's just like adding. You're adding 3 plus 2, and it gives you this number up here in the whole circle. Okay? You want to do some more?
Yeah.
And this time, I'm gonna do it, and then you're gonna have to come write the numbers in the right circles, okay? Can y'all do that? Well, of course you can, because y'all are almost ready for what? First grade. Now, I don't know if you're gonna be able to write the whole number up here because it's kind of tall, but we'll see. Okay, let's do purple. This time, somebody is going to need to come and count how many bears we have. Now, the total number of bears is going to go in which part of the number bond? Celine? So if you count all of these bears together, which part of the number bond is it going to go in? Is it gonna go in one of these circles or this circle? The top circle, because that's how many we have all together. That's the whole number, okay? All right, so go counseling. How many we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, I'm gonna write it up here for you since it's kind of tall. So what do I need to write?
6.
Where? Here, so I'm gonna write 6 because that's this is what we have all together. It's the whole thing. It's the whole group, okay? So, I want somebody, you can sit back down, good job, Sling. Come put some parts in this plate, Noah. How many is that? Okay, where am I gonna write it? Okay, over here. So in this part, we have 3. Remember, we're splitting this number up into 2 parts. All right, Henry, come do the next one. How many are we gonna have in this part? 3. So are you saying that 3 plus 3 equals 6? Okay, I have a question. We have 6 still. Go back to your seat, Henry. We still have 6 bears, okay? The whole hasn't changed. Could I split them up this way? Could I put 2 here and 4 here? So we would put 2 and 4. So are we saying 2 plus 4 equals 6 too?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 3 plus 3 equals 6. What else do we have?
2, 4, 4 plus 2, because that is mixed up.
Right.
And it is
You can
different.
always just swap those numbers around and it still is going to give you the same answer because it's the same numbers. You're just switching their places, okay? Or can I do this? We have 6 bears. Nothing's changed. Can I put 1 here and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Will that still work? Let's see. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it still gives us 6. So I could do 1 plus 5 equals 6.
Yeah, I know.
And what else could I do? Could I do 5 plus 1 equals 6?
Yes, because this is the same as swapping up 2 and 4.
That's right. All right, what if I did this? What if I did 0 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Would that work? Is 0 a number?
Yeah.
Yes, it is 6 a number. Okay, so we could do 0, 6, and that would equal 6. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Okay, so I have a question. When you have a whole, like this whole number, like a big number like that, okay, of a whole group, can you split that number up in different ways? Can you have different numbers that would equal the same number? Do we have different numbers here? Do we have different parts? Yes, we do. We have 3 and 3 gives us 6. We have 2 and 4 gives us 6. We have 4 and 2 that gives us 6, and so on, okay? So you can split a whole group up into like different parts, okay? Okay, stop that.